Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. It is going to be with my beautiful daughter Chloe, and we are going to be creating some styles for you that are easy and simple, and most importantly they are quick. Now these styles are perfect for school, for home, for play, for any day.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be using curly my hair!
So like little Chloe just said, we are going to be using Curly Ellie products today for this video. I get asked a lot what I use in her hair, and I basically just use their entire range. They've also added recently like scrunchies, and they have a hair towel which is perfect for me. So for this video today, we're going to be using their leave-in conditioner, the styling serum, and the detangling spray. So now that I've showed you their amazing range, let's jump straight into this video. So the first thing I love to do with Chloe's hair is basically to prep it for the style, to make sure it's detangled and get it really moisturized and saturated, and that's what I'm going to do first before I do anything to her hair. It's really important for me to make sure that her hair is fully detangled and is in the best possible state. What I like to do is to start off with the detangling spray from Curly Ellie. Just spritz as much as this as I need for her for a section here that I have out. I'm showing you, and I'm really going to make sure that I get all of it fully like saturated, and I'm gonna rub that into her hair before I start to detangle it. I never dry detangle her hair, it just pulls it out. So once I'm happy that I've applied enough, I'm just gonna use my detangling brush and just detangle her hair and make sure that there are no hidden knots or tangles along her hair shaft. And I just do this basically throughout her whole head, and once her hair has been completely detangled, this is how it looks. And now we're ready to begin with the first style. So the first one I'm showing you today is like a twisted bun. I love it. It's quick and easy and so simple to create, and it looks gorgeous at the end. So I'm starting off by just parting like the middle section, and you can get very creative here and do like a zigzag part or any kind that you would like to do. So I like to go in with the leave-in conditioner first, just because Chloe's hair gets very frizzy and I want to get her hair as sleek as possible for this style. And this leave-in conditioner also really moisturizes her hair. And once I'm happy that I have applied it, I just go ahead and like smooth this down to get it as sleek as possible. And then I go in with her brush to really also spread the product. And I decided to give her like two little pieces out at the side, one on each side of her ears. I think it is so adorable and cute, so I decided to give her like those little leave outs just there at the side. Next, I'm gonna grab the styling serum, and this also gives us great hold and gets her hair nice and shiny. It looks so gorgeous after you apply the styling serum. It looks really healthy. And then I'm just gonna grab my scrunchie and put her hair up. So I'm doing like a low ponytail for this one. I think it looks best this way. I just love how it sits at the back there. And then we're gonna grab the hair and just part it into two equal sections. Don't worry if they're not exactly equal. It's not really, it's not that serious. So what I'm gonna do is to just twist up the first section. It does not have to be perfect, so don't worry, especially if you're creating this style in the morning and you're a bit of a rush. Don't worry, the twist does not need to be perfect. It just, needs to be twisted up basically. And what I'm going to do is, once I have twisted it right down to the ends, this is also going to help protect the ends of the hair. It's a good little protective style as well. So we're going to grab a little, whatever you like to tie off. I use these little elastic bands. I have no problem using them. So I'm just going to use that to secure the end of her hair. And then I'm just going to take that first one and wrap it around to start to create our bun. And it's very simple. You don't need to use any pins or anything like that, especially if your child is very young and they're going to be at school all day. You don't want like bobby pins and all that kind of stuff in their hair. So it's very easy to secure it just by itself. And now I'm just doing the same thing to the other section of hair, just twisting that up nicely. And as I said, it does not need to be perfect. The bun is gonna look gorgeous regardless. So again, once I have secured that one up, I am going to take my time and do the same thing again. With this twist, I decided to just take it and just like stretch it a little bit. That is another little trick that you can do to make it look fuller. And now I'm going to just wrap that around as well. And it's so simple, guys, so simple and so quick. So once I have secured that one as well, I am going to grab this gorgeous lilac scrunchie from Curly Ellie. They're so durable, and this one is their large one. They have different sizes, and I'm just gonna put that over the bun very gently. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, just like that. I decided to be a little bit extra, you know, I like to be extra sometimes, and I'm just gonna put these grippies along the bun just for a little bit more color and to jazz it up. I just thought, you know, I've got an extra minute, so why not? If you have an extra minute or two in the morning, you could, you know, make it more creative if you so desire. So that is how this one is looking with the grippies that I'm putting in. And voila, guys, our first style is completed. And my little honey bunch absolutely loves it. Watch her checking it out to make sure her edges are laid and looking at herself in the mirror. She told me she loves how it looks. This is one of her favorite buns. It's just so gorgeous and we both love it. And very, very quick to get done and to get everyone out of the house on the morning. And now we're moving on to the second style, which is a banded high ponytail. This again is very quick, but it looks absolutely gorgeous at the end. So I went ahead and put up her hair where I desired it to be for this one. And I'm just using the detangling spray along with the styling serum. That's gonna get her hair very sleek for me, just how I like it. And to also make sure it's very moisturized. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the leave-in conditioner and apply that along the length of her hair. So once I'm happy that I have applied enough, I just, you know, just make sure it's detangled before I apply any of the bands to her hair. And now I have the first band, and I just go ahead and place them wherever I desire. This is so versatile as well. You can easily, you know, add more bands along the length of the ponytail or less bands. It's completely up to you. I've decided to use 3 different colors, like a pink, a gray, and a maroon, and that's what I'm going to use and just apply them at different points of the hair. I think it is so cute. I just love this, and this also helps to keep the hair stretched as well. And a very cute little ponytail for your little one to wear to school every day, or if they're just going to church, no matter where they're going. This is just so simple and gorgeous, and you can use whatever colors you like. You can add as many as you like along the length of the hair. So I'm just adding the final couple that I'm going to add to this ponytail, and then I just like pull on each side and then pull them. This just creates a bit more body and to make the ponytail look a bit wider than it is. And yeah, it's just very cute. So I continue to do that until I am happy with how it looks. And once I'm happy with the desired look, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this other scrunchie from Curly Ellie. This is their medium size one, and I'm just going to apply that. I'm going to wrap it around twice, and this is just perfect to go with this ponytail that we banded up today. So that's it. We have completed this style as well. How quick and easy was that, right? I know. So as you can see, Chloe is happy once again. She just loves trying different styles and having her hair done. She absolutely loves getting her hair all jazzed up, and I love to create styles with her. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you again soon. Bye.